This is a BEcom spiral mixer, stock number 19909. We've got 2 timers and 2 speeds. The speeds are low and high, and both timers are set for 30 seconds. We're going to show you the bowl jog. And switch our bowl direction. Now we're going to switch it back. We're going to hit start. Here we have a safety. We'll hit start again. Here's our emergency stop. Now we're going to hit start again and let the mixer run in cycles. Timers are timed out. We're going to come up, we're going to shut the power off.